Hello everybody, thanks for joining. And guys, I'm hungry. There's so many food trucks around, but I didn't have a chance, so let's grab something quick and eat it in the park. It's gonna be so much fun. Second, I want the plate. Maybe just yeah. Thank you. We'll pay with how much?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. We'll find a bench somewhere in the park and have a late lunch, guys. I'm hungry. A lot of walking today and it was fun. So it's 4:30 here in Washington and I haven't had my lunch yet. So it's a huge park. I mean, there is benches are everywhere, but we'll find somewhere that is more under the shade. Here it is, guys. Let's sit here and have lunch. Alright, let's check it out, guys, what we got. Oh my goodness, look at that, so fresh. And I'm hungry, guys. It was a long walking day today. And this looks so fresh. I love it. Alright, let's eat, guys. What a nice way to have nice and fresh lunch here in the park. And the weather is just beautiful. I can talk about this all day long. And this is so good. And that salad is just amazing. It's maybe because I'm hungry. I usually don't like onion. And this guy added a little bit onion. And for some reason, it just tastes delicious. Alright guys, so that was fun. I really enjoyed the salad. It was delicious. And okay, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.